Hi-ho guys, long time no see. I just got in the mail my, a very big Grove collaborative box. I didn't unbox last month's Grove because I just got a few things and most of them you've seen before. There we go. But this is a pretty big order because, for me anyway, other people have bigger orders, because I need to restock on a few things. Also, I got a few of my bonus items I get. If you're not familiar with Grove Collaborative, they are a box you can set to come usually monthly, but you can set it as you like, that has sustainable and very often organic, all-natural household and personal supplies. I usually just replenish things that I tend to run out of in a month. Some things I have set for every 2 months, some every 6 months, and that way I don't really run out of stuff. Find at the last minute I don't have it. Anyway, what is in this box, this big box? Okay. Well, they threw in some extra paper towels. I got my usual, oh no, I see, they ran out of a 6-pack of paper towels. I get a 6-pack of these bamboo paper towels in just about every monthly order. These Grove Collaborative paper towels are made via, from bamboo and sugarcane. And the reason they use bamboo and sugarcane is because it is very renewable, it grows very quickly, so you're not cutting down a lot of trees to get your paper. Although, quite honestly, I think most paper products are made from waste from using wood for other things. But still, I like using these, and I really like the quality of the towels. I ordered a 6-pack, but I guess they were out of 6-packs because I got 3 2-packs in this. I also ordered, this has been on my list for a while to get. I am in serious need of tea towels. Ooh. I haven't tried their tea towels yet. This is a really nice big tea towel, dish towel. There's a waffle weave on it. And this has been on my list for a while of things to get. So that's actually bigger and nicer than I expected it to be. What do we have over here? This was one of my perks that I got for being a member this month, and it got a little squashed in the box. This is organic English breakfast tea. They gave me a choice of like peppermint tea, chamomile tea, and I picked the English breakfast tea. So that was one of my perks. Also, I got on sale a holiday gift set that was on sale that involved a glass bottle for hand soap, bathroom hand soap, and along with the glass bottle and a refill for the hand soap, they sent this cute little stoneware tray. So you could actually set your hand soap and a dishcloth or something up on it, put it in your bathroom, or you could use it for candles, and that came with the set. Let me see if I can find the rest of the set. Here we go. This is, rather than getting continually those plastic bottles for my hand soap, all right, although, as always, this is packed in an awful lot of plastic, but who can resist bubble wrap? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's not popping easy. I'm going to have to work on this bubble wrap. The same design on it, the pomegranate design that was their Christmas design this year, and here is a pump bottle for hand soap, and I can just refill it. And then the scent I got, see if I can find the actual hand soap. Here we go. This is the big thing of hand soap. This uses a lot less plastic in the bag than buying those individual hand soaps. And it's made heavily of recycled plastic. This is the gel hand soap that goes with that set. This is pomegranate and red currant. Approximately 3 refills per bag. And with, of course, that pump bottle, I can fill it with any kind of hand soap I want. I'm going to find out and see how this is. The reviews on Grove Collaborative, a lot of people seem to really like that scent. They said the hand soaps are not heavily scented. There's just a nice light scent, which is what I am looking for. Now, what else did I get? Speaking of plastic. Ooh, this is much bigger than I expected. You know, they've started putting some of their bottles in plastic, I guess for leakage. I'm not wild about that. What they had done in previous months was use like a carpenter's tape, a blue carpenter's tape to tape the lids down so they wouldn't leak. This is the Real Simple washing machine deodorizer and cleaner. For some reason I thought this was tiny. This is actually big. Just excuse me. Here we go. And there's a little spray to put in it, and you just can wipe out your washing machine, get mold and mildew smell out of it with this cleaner. This I use a lot. This is the Method Wood for Good Daily Cleaner, a wood cleaner. I use this on my windowsills. I use it on my wood furniture. It smells great, and it does a good job cleaning. So I usually keep this in stock. I just ran out of my last bottle of it, or I'm on the very bottom part, so this came just in time. And with it, I got it in a set, the two together. I find usually the Grove prices are a little bit less expensive than the Target prices, which is why I prefer getting it from Grove, among other reasons. Now I have tape stuck to my finger. They did use tape to close this one up. It came in a set, the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner in a mint scent. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. It smells so nice, and I can use this for just about anything. Like if I can't find my regular counter cleaner, I'll just grab the glass cleaner. It smells wonderful. I keep a thing of that in the bathroom. I keep a thing of it in my upstairs bathroom. I keep a thing of it in the kitchen under the sink, and I love it. Those of you that saw my last videos will laugh at me. They still have pine scent left in Mrs. Meyer's. They're clearing out their Christmas stuff. The stuff that they have left is all on sale, and Mary loves this stuff. She asked me to order a couple more bottles. So this will last a long time. I am up to my ears in counter cleaner, but everybody loves the smell of the Mrs. Meyer's pine scented cleaner. If it lingers around on a shelf till next Christmas, well, I'll be all set for the Christmas smells. Okay, still got more. Ah, no, this is what came as part of my free gift with my order. Now, this is a metal pail, and if you watched a couple of unboxings ago, I got one of these in red. It was when I saw this was available as a free perk, I got a second one. They call it a cleaning caddy, but it's, I don't know if you can tell. Let me put it right next to my face. It's not big. It makes an echo, though. That's pretty cool. It's not big. It is metal and wood handle. What I do with this is I have this on the back of my toilet upstairs, and in it, I just put, well, I don't put wood cleaner in, but I can fit a couple of cleaners and a rag, okay? It also will fit very nicely about, well, definitely easily fit 2 rolls of toilet paper. You could stack them up. You probably had 4 in there, sticking out the top a little bit. I find it really handy. So when I saw I got a chance to get another one, I said I'll have one downstairs and one upstairs just to hold things. So I don't know if the back of your toilet, if you keep any of your cleaners on it. Some people put like a little rug-like thing on the back of their toilet. Some people have decorations. I don't. I just put like the bathroom cleaner sits on the back of my toilet. So this kind of corrals it in and makes it look nicer. This does not, oh, it's still got its cardboard stuck on the bottom from shipping. I have not found that this rusts at all. It's going to take me a while to get that cardboard off. There we go. Like a regular old-fashioned bucket. And so far it hasn't rusted sitting in my bathroom. Okay, what else do we have here? All right. Yes, another pine, Mrs. Meyer's pine. This stuff, this is a reorder for me. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Vinegar Gel Cleaner. What this is in lemon verbena scent. This is really good for stainless steel. And I have a stainless steel sink in my kitchen. So I clean it out at night with this stuff. You wipe it on. You don't have to rinse it off. You can just kind of wipe it clean with this vinegar gel. It actually smells good. It's got that thing that vinegar is strong for about 15 seconds. And then the vinegar smell goes away. And the stuff smells really clean and fresh. So I quite like and recommend, if you have stainless steel, the Vinegar Gel No Rinse Cleaner. Put that in my bucket too. What else do I have? Oh, yes. Always Walnut Scrubber sponges. They have the scrubbing material on this side is safe for non-stick. It is made of walnuts or walnut fiber or something, and these things are awesome. These are my Soul Kitchen sponges now. And I usually get a set with each order. I usually get 2 sets with each order. I think I only got 1 this time. Yes, to cucumbers, makeup remover wipes. I like these a lot. They're a little bit cheaper than at the grocery store or at Target when I get them through Grove, so I'll usually order a set. Every month or two. I don't use these a lot, but I find them handy to have around. Now, what I have here last is hand sanitizer. This is the Grove Collaborative Hand Sanitizer Spray. I heard, I think Georgia Sunshine, I think it was raving about the smell of the Grove Collaborative Hand Sanitizer. So rather than order a full bottle, I just ordered the little travel size, which is a spray. Gotta prime it. There we go. I love the smell. It is blood orange. It's definitely a citrusy smell, but it's not sweet. It actually smells like you squeezed oranges out. Oh my gosh, this stuff is wonderful. So I figured I would get a spray one, a travel one to keep in my car. You go through the drive-thru, you're looking for something to clean your hands off. And I like the spray because you don't get a lot of excess on your hands. And then I like the smell so much, I ordered the pump bottle to put next to my sink. So I have the hand sanitizer there. I think that's it. Let me make sure I have everything here. Hand sanitizer large, hand sanitizer spray, walnut scrubber sponges, kitchen towel, glass cleaner mint, wood cleaner, Mrs. Meyer's surface cleaner in pine, a whole plethora of them, Mrs. Meyer's Vinegar Gel Cleaner, Yes to Cucumbers facial wipes, the cleaning caddy, which was my gift for my order, Grove Collaborative breakfast tea, which was also part of what I get for being a member, washing machine cleaner, the stoneware tray. I'm really going to like this. This is great to put like pillar candles on. I like this a lot. The stoneware tray that came with the hand soap set. That was all part of one set, and the pomegranate soap refill and the glass pump bottle and the paper towels, a set of 6. That was my order this month. Here's my little, isn't that so pretty? You got to be careful though, it's like the old days. Those of you who are old enough to remember, okay, I don't know if you're all old as me, so I'm pushing 60. Shampoo bottles, you all remember everything was glass. You did not have plastic when we were growing up. It was really, really rare. You could get plastic, but it was rare. Your shampoo bottles were glass. Your soda bottles were glass. Everything was glass. You'd bring the glass bottles back to the store to recycle, and you'd get a credit for returning them, either 2 cents or 5 cents, depending on the size of the bottle you returned, and they would be either reused or recycled. But the danger of having a glass bottle in the bathroom, how many people dropped it and it broke on the floor of the bathtub and then you had glass shards there? Yes, I remember those days because I'm old. But I will have to be careful, clumsy old me, with the glass and stoneware. I just dropped my box on the floor. Glass and stoneware bottles, so that hopefully I will not drop this in the bathroom, but I really can't wait to use this. Okay. That was my Grove Collaborative boxing. As I said, if you would like to try Grove Collaborative, you click the link below. You will get a 5-piece gift set, and they'll also give me a $10 credit toward my order if someone uses my referral link, or you can just go right to the Grove Collaborative site and just sign up or order something if you like. I think I had mentioned before, Mary should be getting by the end of this month her second Stitch Fix, so we will have an unboxing of that. That will probably be the next video up. We will see. See you soon. Bye-bye.